guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have a brand new subscription box, or bag as the case may be. This is from a company called Renewells, or the Renewells, and it is a jewelry subscription box. It is $25 a month for 3 handmade pieces, plus 10% of the sales go to some sort of charity or something. They didn't specify, they just said, you know, to help out people in need in the world. I don't know. So anyway, let's see what I got. Okay, so I have 3 boxes and they all come with this cute little ribbon thingy on it. Let's just see. Oh, it says dream without fear, love without limits. And it's just got this cloth band. This is really cute. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, that's cute. I like it. I love the little thing on here. Okay, let's see. What else do we have here? Oh, this is interesting. Whoa. Oh, wow. Let's see. That's really cool, especially if you like really long necklaces. I love the lavendery purple color, and these beads are really neat. And tassels are very in right now. Here, let me show you. This is the tassel, but look at these beads. Aren't these beads really neat and beautiful? I love them. Very cool. Okay, and then the last box. Ooh, oh my gosh. Wow, look at this. I love this. Look at that. It's a leather cuff bracelet and it has an anchor on it. I'm totally loving this. Look at that. How cute. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be one of those pieces that I wear like every day. I love this. I'm big into cuffs. I mean, can you tell by my watch band? I really love that style. So, and the anchor, I mean, come on. Oh, I love this so much. How cute. Okay, well, this is awesome. What a fun new jewelry box. I love that the pieces are handmade, but still like a really nice piece of jewelry. So I'm excited about this. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget to check that out if you are interested in checking out the Renewells. And also they have just like a boutique online. So if you wanted to just, you know, go and get just this cuff, but not necessarily the box, you could absolutely do that. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!